if someone is looking to work in help desk, he need to know how to, let's all close this windows. He need to know if someone is looking to break an IT job, and he need to start in IT help desk or IT service desk analyst. So you need to know about Windows Server a little bit, like you need to practice at home. So this video will help you to install Windows Server 2025 on Hyper-V environment. So I will guide you through the installation. First, you will do installation Windows Server 25 in Hyper-V, and then post installation, and then we will rename the server DC01 and assign a static IP address 192.168 as you see, and we will update the Windows Server. In the next video, we'll see how to promote the server and install the Active Directory and manage Active Directory and computers, so on and so on. So let's start. So I already opened Hyper-V Manager. Let's create first the virtual machine. New, create virtual machine. Next, virtual machine will be DC01. Then next, and I will choose generation 1. Then next, the RAM I will give, better to give the RAM 8 RAM. So my laptop, my PC already have 8 GB, so better to choose 8192 8 GB RAM. One click is dynamic. Next, and I will connect to the default switch. Next, so this will be the name of the hard drive. Next, then install ISO file. I already installed the Windows Server 2025 from Microsoft website. So browse in the download folder, open, next, finish. Then I want to remove, then let's connect, start. Now we'll install Windows Server. So we'll follow the steps of how to install, which one we're going to choose. We have different UGs in like data center and the standard. So let's see which one we are going to use. First time I'm installing 2025, so we'll choose the language, time, which country you are. Let's say I am not going to mention which country I am anyway. Let's follow the steps. And you need to choose the language, which language you are going to install, use, and the time or current time format where you are living. Next, keyboard language, obviously USA, and install Windows Server. Yeah, you can click, because this is virtual machine, it's a live environment, so we have nothing to do. Then it will start installing. So which one we are going to use? So better to use the data center. There is different the data center experience, and there is a standard one. So we will choose the Windows Server Data Center desktop experience. This one will have GUI interface, like GUI interface user. So we don't want to use the command line one. So Windows Server 25 Data Center Evaluation, this one is the command line one. This one Windows Server 25 Data Center Evaluation desktop experience is the one with the geographical interface one. So let's say next. So then accept. I'm looking for disk. It's already, my disk is 127 GB. So next, allocating disk. So this is the installation. So let's say install. So this is the way we are going to install. This is the way you install Windows Server 2025. So I'm going to stop the video. How long it will take, let's see. Installation is finished. The PC will restart. so better to make the full screen. So we'll follow step by step how to rename and install the Windows Server. This is the lab that you can use in your home with the, if you want, you have different like virtual machine, or you can use the Hyper-V for Windows, whatever software you can use, like VMware is better one, but they need a license. And we have open resource from Oracle, we call it in the what you call it, virtual box, but I prefer to use the Windows Server. I prefer to use the Windows Hyper-V environment. Administrator and password, you need to put the password. Please don't forget this part. This password you will need it again, so keep in the safe. So I put the password, finish. It's not matching the password, I don't know why. Let's say finish. Okay, let's need complexity. I'll create complex password. Now, yes. When you are creating the password, you need to create a complex password for the secure your environment in the future. No need to put the weak password. So what we'll do is Control Alt. So let's see, the installation is finished. Okay, little bit slow the piece, I don't know, as I already have 8 GB. So now is our password that we created in the first. Why is saying wrong? Why? So yeah, caps lock on. Okay. My first time I'm installing the Windows Server 2025. I used to practice in 2019 and 2022, but it's my first time in 2025. So let's see how it look like. Most of the people saying it look like Windows 11. So let's see. So the step we are going to follow is the installation Windows Server. Already post installation, we rename the server to DC and assign static IP address and update the Windows Server. Then we will follow in the next video. We'll install Active Directory and domain service. Accept. It look like Windows 11. So this is the clean installation Windows Server. This is our Windows Server. And now the virtual machine look like laggy. Let's make it zoom. Let's wait and finish this. So I want to make it small. Why? Let's make it big. So This is the Windows server. So first what we say is we need to rename. What we are going to rename Windows Server DC01. So let's open our Windows Server. I think it's already finished the refreshment. So go to setting. As we already know how to rename the server, how to rename the computers. About and advanced setting in the computer name, and then we'll put DC01. This will be our Windows Server name 2025. So let's see description. So 8 GB RAM, Windows Server 2025 data center. So I already renamed this PC. I it. I believe I already renamed it. I think this way. Rename and then apply. Then let's assign the IP address. So what is our IP address? So let's make it small so we can see. So NCP, short way NCP and properties. And before properties, use static. You are going to use static 192.168.100.112, and the subnet will be assigned. Our DNS will be the same because I will use the same. I don't have additional or separate DNS server, so this will be the DNS server and act as a DNS server and will be Active Directory. And OK. Now we finish. Let's see if need updates. I don't think I don't have internet, so I'm not going to use the updates. So if you want to see the updates, just to go to setting, updates, check the updates. But I don't know why it's still not renaming my PC. Okay, let's try this way. Rename this PC DC01. Yes. Request to restart now, restart and plan it. Reconnect. So we'll put our password, our credential. So this is our Windows server. I don't know why my PC is very slow. This is our. So let's see the NCP. NCP. So why we don't use command line to see our IP address? CMD run. very slow, I don't know. IP config to see IP address what we assigned. Yes, or IP address 192.168. This is if you want to see all IP address with the DNS all, so we can get now. This is our IP address. This is our IP address. So in the next video we'll see how to install the Active Directory and domain service. Thank you for watching. We'll add roles, they call it roles. How we'll add roles, and we have different roles like DHCP server and file server and Active Directory domain service. So in the first we will install the Active Directory domain service in the next video. Thank you for watching.